scared.
Hey friends, we hit over 1,000 subscribers thanks to you, and Babi is incredibly happy and going bananas. So keep up the good work and keep watching our videos, support our channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Quick Draw with Mr. L and Monkey Doodle, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to do two cherries, Mama D and Cherry D. Here we go. Curve up, curve down. Going to make a stem come out here. Go in a little bit with that stem, so we have a curvy line here. A little thicker up here. And then a nice curve that shoots across it, gives it that cherry look. Now we're going to do two silly eyes. One oval that's large, and a smaller oval that connects to it. Going to do two circles inside of it. And we're going to do a big smile, curve at the end, and buck teeth like a rectangle shape, but a line in the middle that shoots out the side there. All right, now we can color a little bit darker around here. And now we're going to do Mama D's a little larger. Mama D's going to come out from here, curve from here. There, go around. See, it's much larger. Going to make a stem shoot out here. Little oval on the top. Go back down. And then we're going to do a curve that shoots across here for that cherry look. And we're going to do two eyes. One long oval here. And another one right next to it. And we'll do a dark oval inside. Another dark oval inside. And she has a smile too. A little curve at the end. Dark over there. Maybe she has a mouth open with a little tongue. And she's happy to be with Cherry D.
Cherry.
All right. So, we're almost ready to hyperspace color, guys. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, get ready to hyperspace color. Whoosh. Woo. Hey, Babi. Hey. Those cherries look pretty good, Babi. Those are my cherries. You can't eat cherries, Babi. Those are really mine. All right, do me a favor. Keep an eye on them. If you're good, maybe I'll leave you a couple, okay, Babi? All right, those are my cherries. Don't get any ideas, Babi, okay? Oh, you're going a little bananas, I see. Come on, Babi. Don't get any ideas now. That is not cool, Babi. You ate all my cherries.